I am Dr. Sanjana Mishra, Assistant Professor of B.Ed in Hira Lal Yadav Degree College, Lucknow. A teacher has to deal with all kinds of children who differ in their age groups, socio-economic and cultural background, and emotional as well as intellectual capacities. This whole concept comes under the topic of growth and development. We often overlap these two terms, but from the psychological perspective, both growth and development are different. Not only that, they are interdependent and yet play their respective roles. Growth means increase in the size, height, and weight of a child. This increment heavily depends upon the genetics and nutrition. Hence, growth can be observed and measured. Growth is a very fragile process and thus it should be handled with great care. Every individual has different behavioral patterns which are visible in this process and according to which her or his body takes shape. Development is more of an umbrella term. It is a continuous and progressive process. Environment plays a very important role in the development process. An individual actively interacts with her or his environment and in turn environmental influences the individual. This influence is quite evident in siblings where their behavior patterns differ because of different environmental influences. In the development process, an individual encounters different situations and deals with them. This brings a lot of experience and hence contributes to their learning process. This collection of experiences is called development, which shapes the personality of an individual. Moving forward to the characteristics of growth. Growth can be observed physically since an individual increases in size over the span of time. Growth is measurable and observable. Physical changes such as height, weight, etc., and changes in psychological aspects like intelligence denote age. These growth patterns are same in everyone to a great extent, but if these aspects do not change according to the age, the growth is considered abnormal. Growth only continues till the 19 years of age. Physical growth stops after gaining maturity. Growth is a natural process. Features of a tree are hidden in its seed. Similarly, features of an individual are hidden in womb. Environment, nutrition, emotional and social interaction are all those factors that affect an individual's growth. These are also the factors which are the basis of difference in individuals. Healthy environment, healthy diet, strong emotions are very important for good growth. Development is that process which starts from birth and continues till death. Every individual has different traits which makes them unique. Development is always used in a positive sense. An organization has all the aspects interrelated. Similarly, development also has its aspects interrelated and cannot be handled carelessly. Development takes place step by step. Every individual learns through her or his experiences that life presents before them. So, development is a collection of learning experiences. Growth and development are not same. They differ on certain parameters. The first parameter is nature. Growth is quantitative because it can be measured and observed, whereas development is qualitative since it can only be measured in behavior. The second parameter is influences. Growth influences the biological aspect since it includes size, weight, etc. But development takes place when an individual interacts with her or his environment. Growth occurs due to physical maturation, which means physical features and traits, but development doesn't only mean physical aspect. It indicates all the aspects of personality, and their overall development occurs due to environmental influences. Growth proceeds in a specific phase, so it's visible, but development indicates pattern of changes in the total organism. Growth is a result of maturation due to age factor, while development is the result of maturation and experiences or interaction between an individual and environment. So, the process of growth and development are interrelated and interdependent. Growth is a narrow aspect which limits only up to the physical, but development can be defined as the emerging and expanding of capacities of the individual. Thank you.